Hey guys, how's it going? How to stop WhatsApp saving photos to a gallery. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just click on my avatar icon or my Apple ID icon at the top right. Go ahead to the apps. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just start typing WhatsApp Messenger and double check if your WhatsApp needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna just open up the WhatsApp, and as you can see, this is the home feed. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on my settings at the below right corner, and from here you're gonna be able to see chats. In the chats, you're gonna be able to see chat wallpaper, and you're gonna be able to see save to photos. So basically, after you toggle this one on, all of your photos and videos that you post or share on WhatsApp or receive on WhatsApp will be saved to your camera roll or photos gallery. So if you don't want to, just toggle this one off and all of the videos will not be saved to your camera rolls that you receive, or even the ones that you posted. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.